Hi, and welcome to this video on setting up locations within Account Fusion. Today we'll be going over how to set up your primary location of your office, and if you have multiple locations under one tax ID, we will also go over how to set that up in Account Fusion. Once you log in, you'll see this dashboard. You'll first want to go to the top right and click Setup. From here, you'll go to the Inventory tab, and then click Locations. As you can see, this is a new database, and so we don't have any locations currently in the system. We'll want to do this before we start putting our transactions and data from our old system into this new Account Fusion system. So click on New Location, and you'll see the different fields that we'll need to enter in. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this so you don't have to watch me enter in all the information, but you'll want to pause the video now and go ahead and enter your primary location of your office or corporate headquarters. Once you've entered in the location information, you'll want to go ahead and click Save. We now have our first default location. If you only have one office in one location, then you won't need to add any more. Also note that the option to do multiple locations is only valid if they're all under the same tax ID. If you have offices with different tax IDs, you're going to need separate databases for each of those. So please refer to our manual for more information on that, or contact customer support if that is your situation. So as we can see here, Lakeview is our default location, so we'll want to go ahead and click default on that. And I'm going to go ahead and add one more location to show you the scenario where we may have multiple offices in different locations under one tax ID. As you can see, I've entered in the location information for our Denver office. I'll go ahead and click Save. And what this does is you'll want to make sure the default location is set. But now if we go back to the dashboard, you'll see we're able to filter our information by the location that we have chosen. And this is useful in being able to generate separate reports for our different offices. This will require a setup within the integration to RealtyAPX, so make sure to notify our customer support when you begin using Account Fusion that this is something that you'd like to do. And by doing this, you'll be able to keep your accounting numbers separate. So this is one of the first things you'll need to do once you come in to Account Fusion. You'll need to at least have one default location. If you choose to have more, then you're able to do that. But you'll at least need to have one location in the system and select that as the default location. Thank you for tuning in to this video on how to set up your locations within Account Fusion. Please refer to our other videos and our accounting manual if you have other questions. Thank you.